obviously not too much into sports, but
Got me feeling like the elephant in every room I'm walking into. Yeah, we started out innocent till I got pulled right into your issue.
Of course, I mean,
Yeah.
My name is Garrett.
Oh, Garrett.
Oh wait, okay, I do have my name tag on.
Hi,
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, let's say hello to my 91 subscribers.
Hi there.
Hi there.
Well, hey, at least I can get something in.
Yeah, I know.
It's like, damn, why you gotta be so cold in the summertime? Summertime, I was really rooting for you. Yeah, I was really rooting for you. Yeah, yeah. It's like, man, why you gotta be so cold in the summertime? Summertime, I was really rooting for you. We were really rooting for you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Compass Vlogs, mini movies. So in today's episode, let's talk about something that's important to me. My backpack.
Well, some of you have asked me what I carry in my backpack when I'm going to classes. I thought it was a very good question because, well, to put it simply, I'm a bit paranoid.
So I carry a lot of
My school t-shirt, a tripod, because you never know when you might need it to take a shot. A red scarf. I'm actually allergic to coldness. A pair of glasses. A black umbrella, because it rains a lot in Seattle. Like a lot. A lot! A water bottle. A BMO coin wallet. Bunch of tissues. A calculator. USB ports. Colognes. Don't worry. They're actually all samples, so I'm still in the college life. Screen wipers. A small nail clipper, cause I don't know actually. Allergy medicines, and most importantly, my iPad. No, seriously, my iPad. With iPad you can replace a lot of things. You can buy your books online, take notes, and doodle around. In college, every semester you go to new classes, you open a new notebook, and it can pile up. It can pile up and make a lot of mess.
turn on your magic beam, Mr. Sandman, bring us, please, 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 Mr. Sandman, bring us our
Yeah.
Now I see you having so much fun with everyone. You had so much fun making fun of. Did you come and bump your head? Did you forget where you came from? I'm tired of sending my well wishes. I'm tired of all your burning bridges. It's like, damn, why you gotta be so cold in the summertime? Summertime, I was really rooting for you. Yeah, I was really rooting for you. Yeah, yeah. It's like, man, why you gotta be so cold in the summertime? Summertime, I was really rooting for you. We were really rooting for you. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so today we're at Starbucks Reserve. You've probably seen that from my first vlog, the travel vlog. We're just here to study, get some work done.
Just a little disappointed. What a shame, we could have had a good thing. You let go of a good thing. It's like, damn, why you gotta be so cold in the summertime? Summertime, I was really rooting rooting for you. Yeah, yeah. I was really rooting for you.
That's kind of static. Hello. Okay, we're going to Trader Joe's and it's 7 p.m. Grocery list. Юу явах хэрэгтэй лээ? Milk,
Body wash.
body wash, potatoes,
Yeah.
butter, water,
Butter.
fruit, biscuit slash cookies. What else? Гарууд чиглэж байна. Хурдл.
I think we have everything else.
Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, refreshing. Okay, third destination дээр ирчлээ. Trader Joe's.
I'll be back
So also the thing about college life is that хаяас өөртөө шагнах хэрэгтэй.
өөрийгөө шагнаж байна.
You know, усуух цаг нь зарим гэдэг цаг нь гэж байгаа шүү дээ. I don't know why that's a bad thing. Why drinking water is a bad thing. Okay. Yeah. That was shopping. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog today. If you want, you can subscribe and support the channel. People can barely see us, man.
Not us. One more time. I'm not in the.